Shirakawa Beautiful Village, a glimpse into Japan's living heritage. Nestled in the heart of Japan, amid the rolling hills and serene landscapes, lies the picturesque Shirakawa Beautiful Village. This enchanting destination is a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage and traditional way of life. As one explores the village, it becomes evident that Shirakawa-go, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a living testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Japanese people. Historical roots and UNESCO recognition. Shirakawa Beautiful Village, officially known as Shirakawa-go, is located in the Gifu Prefecture of Japan. Its history dates back to the 11th century when the region was first settled. The village is renowned for its unique architectural style, exemplified by the traditional gasshō-zukuri farmhouses. These historic structures, with steep thatched roofs resembling hands in prayer, have become iconic symbols of rural Japan. In 1995, Shirakawa-go was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its cultural significance and the efforts made to preserve its traditional way of life. This recognition has not only drawn global attention to the village but has also prompted the locals to embrace and safeguard their cultural heritage. Architectural marvels, gasshō-zukuri farmhouses. At the heart of Shirakawa Beautiful Village are the gasshō-zukuri farmhouses, showcasing a distinctive architectural style that has withstood the test of time. The term gasshō-zukuri translates to constructed like hands in prayer, a fitting description for the steep, thatched roofs that resemble the hands of Buddhist monks in prayer. The roofs serve a practical purpose beyond their aesthetic appeal. The steep angle allows snow to slide off easily during the heavy winter months, preventing the accumulation of snow that could otherwise lead to structural damage. The use of natural, locally sourced materials like wood and straw not only adds to the charm of the village but also reflects the sustainable practices embedded in its heritage. Walking through the village, visitors are transported to a bygone era. The farmhouses, some of which are over 250 years old, stand as a testament to the craftsmanship and ingenuity of the villagers. Many of these houses are still inhabited, providing a unique opportunity for tourists to witness daily life in a traditional Japanese setting. Seasonal splendor, Shirakawa-go throughout the year. Shirakawa Beautiful Village undergoes a magical transformation with each changing season. In spring, cherry blossoms bloom, creating a picturesque landscape of pink and white hues. The village awakens from its winter slumber, and the thatched roofs contrast beautifully with the blossoming trees. Summer brings lush greenery and a vibrant energy to Shirakawa-go. The surrounding fields come alive with crops, and the clear streams that meander through the village add to the overall tranquility. It is during this season that visitors can fully appreciate the harmony between nature and architecture that defines the village. Come autumn, Shirakawa-go is bathed in warm tones as the leaves change color. The gasshō-zukuri farmhouses, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of red, orange, and yellow, offer a breathtaking sight. This season is a favorite among photographers and nature enthusiasts, who flock to capture the village's serene beauty. Winter, however, is when Shirakawa-go truly transforms into a winter wonderland. The thatched roofs are blanketed with snow, creating a scene reminiscent of a fairy tale. The village takes on a serene and almost mystical atmosphere during this time, attracting visitors seeking a unique winter experience. The locals, well accustomed to the heavy snowfall, continue with their daily routines, adding an authentic touch to the winter charm of Shirakawa-go. Preserving tradition, community and culture. What sets Shirakawa Beautiful Village apart is not just its physical beauty but the commitment of its residents to preserving their cultural heritage. The village is more than a collection of historic buildings, it is a thriving community that has adapted to modernity while holding on to its traditional roots. Community plays a crucial role in maintaining the unique identity of Shirakawa-go. The villagers actively participate in cultural events, traditional performances, and ceremonies that celebrate their heritage. Visitors have the opportunity to engage with locals, gaining insights into their way of life and the challenges they face in preserving their cultural legacy. The Ogamachi district, the largest of Shirakawa-go's 3 districts, serves as the cultural heart of the village. Here, the Shirakawa-go Cultural Heritage Center provides a deeper understanding of the village's history and traditions. The center hosts exhibitions, workshops, and demonstrations that showcase traditional crafts such as indigo dyeing, pottery, and weaving. Tourists can try their hand at these crafts under the guidance of skilled artisans, fostering a sense of connection to the village's cultural tapestry. Culinary delights, savoring Shirakawa Go. A visit to Shirakawa beautiful village is incomplete without indulging in its culinary offerings. Local cuisine reflects the region's agricultural heritage, featuring dishes made from locally sourced ingredients. One such delicacy is the hearty Haida Nabe, a hot pot dish that warms the soul during the cold winter months. The village is also known for its unique sake, produced using pure mountain water and high-quality rice. Sake breweries in Shirakawa Go offer tours and tastings, providing visitors with a delightful sensory experience. The sake produced here is not just a beverage, it is a product of the land, reflecting the purity and simplicity of life in the village. Sustainable tourism, balancing preservation and exploration. The increasing popularity of Shirakawa beautiful village as a tourist destination has raised concerns about preserving its authenticity and protecting its delicate ecosystem. In response, the village has implemented sustainable tourism practices to strike a balance between welcoming visitors and safeguarding its cultural and natural treasures. Visitors are encouraged to respect the privacy of the residents and adhere to guidelines that ensure the preservation of the gasshō-zukuri farmhouses. The village has limited the number of accommodations available, encouraging a more intimate and immersive experience for those who choose to stay overnight. Additionally, efforts are underway to promote responsible tourism, including waste reduction and conservation initiatives. Future challenges and ongoing preservation efforts. While Shirakawa beautiful village has successfully navigated the challenges of modernity and tourism, ongoing efforts are needed to ensure the continued preservation of its cultural heritage. The village faces the dual challenge of maintaining its authenticity while adapting to the evolving needs of its residents and visitors. Preservation initiatives include the restoration of aging farmhouses, the documentation of traditional building techniques, and educational programs to pass down traditional skills to younger generations. These efforts are crucial for the sustainable development of the village, allowing it to thrive as a living heritage site. Conclusion: a timeless tapestry. In the heart of Japan, where tradition meets nature, Shirakawa beautiful village stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of a community deeply connected to its roots. The gasshō-zukuri farmhouses, the changing seasons, the culinary delights, and the warmth of the locals weave together a timeless tapestry that beckons visitors from around the world. Shirakawa Go is more than a destination, it is a living, breathing testament to the beauty of cultural preservation. As we marvel at the architectural wonders and immerse ourselves in the rich traditions of the village,